Hello my YouTube family, how are you? Welcome back to my channel The Rich Post. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video I'm going to show you the beautiful yacht and boat rental template in Next.js. So friend, before showing you working demo, I must say few things. Please subscribe my channel, please support me, and also if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my wonderful blog, therichpost.com, contact us page, you will get my email ID, WhatsApp number and a POC ID as well. And guys, also I'm full-time freelance, you can hire me for your services, and my blog you will get multiple free things as well. And now back to the beautiful rental boat and yacht template. So here we go. Here beautiful top section, see my guys, the wonderful top section. Now the main content section, see beautiful menus, see, just beautiful search, or I can say the advanced search and the cart icon as well. So it is empty, or I can say it's a e-commerce site as well. There are multiple template, boat, US, rental and e-commerce template as well. And beautiful hero section, see guys, just brilliant, see, a great hero section, amazed. And about us section as well, see how the things fully aligned, see, just beautiful guys. I'm sure you will like it, and if yes, then press the like button as well. Oh, just beautiful, so great. See, we can put the YouTube video link as well. Beautiful mark you text, see, amazed over effect, great. So it's a complete fully professional template. Guys, we can modify it as well, and also I will show you in next video or in other videos the dashboard for this as well. If you want, then comment on this video as well, or tag me as well. Like I said, I am full-time freelancer, you can hire me for your services. I am fully available. The testimonial, see guys, beautiful testimonial as well. And I must say thank you for liking my last post video, the Next.js booking template. Thank you very much. Get in touch. Latest news and updates, blog section. See friends, just beautiful. Now scroll to top. So guys, I'm sure you like it, and after it I will come with more demos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel as well. And after it I will come with more demos, and in the end I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.